Visiting the bank.
Hi there. I'd like to open a new savings account and deposit this check for $2,000.
No problem, sir. To get started, I'll need your ID, social security number, and proof of address if it's not on the ID.
Here's my driver's license and a recent utility bill. The check is from my freelance work.
Thank you. We have several savings options. The high yield account currently offers 4.5% interest with no monthly fees if you maintain a $500 minimum.
That sounds ideal. I want something easy to access but with good growth.
Perfect choice. It also comes with online banking and mobile deposits. Do you want a debit card linked?
Yes, please. And overdraft protection if possible.
We can set that up from your checking account. Let me enter your information. Okay, account is created. Here's your new account number.
Great. Can I transfer some money from my existing checking later online?
Absolutely, instantly once you log in. The debit card will arrive in 7 to 10 business days.
One more thing. What are the withdrawal limits?
6 free per month and small fees. But most people don't hit that.
Good to know. Thanks for walking me through everything.
My pleasure. Here's your deposit receipt and temporary info. Anything else today?
Nope, that's all. Have a wonderful day.
You too, sir.